Fresh details have emerged surrounding the demotion of former Information Minister Jennifer Muswere, revealing that his removal from one of government's most strategic portfolios following a bruising internal clash over control of Zimbabwe's Broadcasting Corporation ZVC. Sarabela Mashu Blanyo Kapanko Anachin's fresh details emerge on Jennifer Muswere's demotion. That was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timna Nombo Blanyo Kamchinze. President Emerson Mnangagwa on Wednesday announced a mini cabinet reshuffle that saw Muswere shifted to the Ministry of Skills Audit and Development, a move widely reviewed as a downgrade. He was replaced by Soda Jemu, who vacated the National Housing Ministry, with Paul Mafiba taking over that portfolio. The changes were announced by the Cabinet Secretary Martin Rushwaya. While officially framed as administrative adjustments, Muswere's reassignment came in the aftermath of a chaotic attempt to dismiss ZBC board chairperson Harriet Rushwaya. Muswere has publicly announced Rushwaya's removal and appointed Chipo Neta as interim board chairperson alongside Ruveneko Parenyato as deputy. However, the decision was abruptly reversed after President Mnangagwa reportedly intervened from Dubai, where he was on official business in the United Arab Emirates, forcing Muswere into an embarrassing climb down. Government sources say the incident exposed serious fault lines within the administration over authority at the state broadcaster, an institution regarded as central to the ruling party's political messaging. The fallout extended beyond political embarrassment. The state-controlled Herald newspaper has already printed about 3,000 copies of the following day's edition, carrying Muswere's announcement, before being ordered to recall the papers, incurring substantial financial losses. Muswere's removal from the information portfolio is now being interpreted as a disciplinary move, reflecting Mnangagwa's growing frustration with what he reportedly viewed as weak, disjointed, and poorly managed government communication. Doma developments are a Zimbabwe. Comment section, menos of Fugro A. Moto Deep, I'm subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.